contract ye-coach ye-Orlando Pirates yaphela isizini mayiphela. I think ngoJune, end of June yaphela. Kunama-rumors vele amakhulu ukuthi uPitso Mosimane angajoyina i-Orlando Pirates. Mina as an Orlando Pirates fan, I would like or love ukuthi uPitso Mosimane ajoyine i-Orlando Pirates because uPitso Mosimane as a coach super disciplined, like uye i-boss mephethe uyo in charge ngempela and ama-player uyawafaka endleleni. Ngicabanga ukuthi maningi ama-player angawashape ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi abe yilento leyo nayifuna uPitso Mosimane. Yabona mangibukela ama-video amanye ama-former football players ukuthi uPitso Mosimane bekenzani, amake sure ukuthi basendleleni, ukuthi bagadwe kanjani, ukuthi abahambe ebusuku njalo before ama-games, izinto ezinjalo yabo. So leyo discipline leyo ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates as a team iyayidinga, nanokuthi ibe ne-commander in chief like umuntu o-brutal and then o-strong ofana noPitso Mosimane okwaziyo like kuni-check-a noma ningekho around the team but like unabantu abanigadile ukuthi as ama-professional football players kumele nibehave kanjani yabo. uPitso Mosimane mabangamletha ku-Orlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi sokwazi ngempela ukucompetela izinto ezi-serious because uPitso Mosimane super ambitious but-ke sobona ukuthi u-Ivan Khoza ne-management ye-Orlando Pirates izokwazi nawo ukuthi ofare uPitso Mosimane ne-team yakhe because uPitso Mosimane meze e-teamini akeze hamba yedwa manje and then uyadictate izinto eziningi, i-level yakhe ye-coaching nale way sekafike ngakhona. So yeah, I really hope ukuthi singathola uPitso Mosimane akwazi ukushintsha izinto ukuthi nathi sikhompithele i-league. Mina ngiyafuna ukuthi siyiwine i-league, kwazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates ama-champions wase-South Africa yabo, but-ke sobona ukuthi bazokwenza izinto kanjani.